These perfectly curved chips are not sliced like normal chips.
Behind every single chip is one of the most engineered and satisfying food factory processes in the world.
It all begins in enormous potato farms.
Thousands of potatoes are harvested every single day for chip production. Powerful harvesting machines pull potatoes directly from deep underground. Workers carefully sort the potatoes before transportation begins. Only potatoes with the right quality continue into the next stage. Massive containers quickly fill with tons of freshly harvested potatoes. The potatoes are then transported to large industrial processing facilities.
The real transformation begins here.
Before becoming chips, the potatoes must first be processed into powder. Endless streams of potatoes move deeper into the factory. Giant washing systems remove dirt and soil from every potato. The cleaning process runs continuously without stopping. After washing, the potatoes move into automated peeling systems. High-speed peeling machines strip away the potato skins in seconds. The potatoes are ready for processing.
Massive steam chambers soften the potatoes before the next transformation.
Heat completely changes the texture of the potatoes.
The cooked potatoes are crushed into soft flakes.
These flakes will eventually become the base of every chip. And this powder is what truly begins the Pringles chip process. The potato powder is stored carefully before chip production begins. Every ingredient is measured with extreme precision. Starch, flour, and water are blended with the potato powder.
Water transforms the dry mixture into smooth dough.
Massive mixers knead the ingredients into a perfectly smooth texture. The dough must stay perfectly consistent for every single chip. Once the dough is ready, it moves toward the rolling systems. Giant rollers flatten the dough into thin, continuous sheets.
This is what creates the thin chip structure. The dough sheets stay perfectly even. The next stage is where the famous chip shape begins. Precision cutters stamp out thousands of identical chip shapes every minute. Every chip starts as a perfectly cut oval piece of dough. Endless rows of future chips move deeper into the factory. This next transformation creates the iconic curved shape people instantly recognize. Special molds bend every chip into its signature curve. Suddenly, the chips finally begin looking recognizable. Thousands of perfectly curved chips are formed every minute. But they are still soft dough at this stage.
Everything changes the moment the chips enter the fryer.
Hot oil instantly begins transforming the chips into something crispy. The chips slowly become golden, crispy, and rigid. This is the most intense stage of the entire process. For the first time, the chips finally become crispy. After frying, the chips must cool down before seasoning begins. At this point, every chip already has its famous crunch. But the flavoring process is what gives each chip its identity.
Massive rotating drums coat the chips with flavor powder.
Fine seasoning particles stick to every single chip surface.
The chips tumble continuously to spread flavor evenly.
Different flavor powders create completely different chip varieties. Thousands of chips are seasoned every single minute. The chips finally look ready to eat. This is how the iconic Pringles stacks begin forming. Even a tiny mistake could break the entire stack. Every stack must fit perfectly into the famous tube shape. Empty tubes move into position before filling begins. The chip stacks slide perfectly into every tube. Thousands of finished tubes move through the factory every hour. Airtight seals help keep every chip fresh and crispy.
The process still is not finished.
Every tube now passes through another round of inspection. Advanced scanners detect even the smallest packaging mistake.
The finished tubes now move toward large-scale packaging systems.
Robotic systems organize the tubes for shipment. The chips are packed into large shipping boxes automatically. Packaging systems work non-stop. Packaging systems work non-stop. Thousands of finished boxes now move toward distribution areas.
Workers continue monitoring every stage of the shipment process.
Robotic systems stack the boxes with perfect precision. This factory produces an enormous number of chips every single day. The finished products are now ready to leave the factory.
Giant warehouse systems prepare the chips for worldwide distribution.
Thousands of tubes leave the factory every single hour. From here, the chips travel toward stores around the world. But most people never realize how engineered these chips truly are. Every single chip is designed for the perfect crunch. Even the stack shape is engineered. The process may look simple, but every stage is carefully controlled. And somehow every chip still ends up almost identical. Inside this factory, production never truly stops.